Back again, Timeless Treasures. 23 tin break with Tim Couch on the front. Oh, it's not Tim Couch. Matty Ice. And no offense to the Falcons, but I hope they go 1-15 this year, because Browns have their #1 pick next year. Thank you very much. Enjoy Julio. Alright. On to the business at hand. Timeless Treasures, 2011. Starting off on the back with Ryan Fitzpatrick. Bills is Go Auburn 22-12. It's numbered to 99. Mike Williams with the Seahawks. Highlander gets his first, unfortunately a base, but it's $4.99. And then a Taiwan Jones for the Raiders. That's Hey Spook getting the rookie auto of Taiwan Jones, numbered 144 of 265. Onward for the Bengals, it's Andy Dalton. It's not so bad there. Rookie recruits. That's Iser's Demand with the Bengals. Single color jersey, numbered to 250. And then a Darren McFadden. Had this one already, so it's a repeat for Hey Spook with the Raiders. This is out of 180, numbered 32 of 180. So, got a Dalton jersey, but it's a start. So we'll keep going. Stay tuned.